Hey traders, it's Roberto, and this is an updated video on the FX advisory indicator, which generates buy and sell signals, and it gives you a display on each currency pair when to look for a sell or a buy position. So right now I'm in several pairs, and let me just show you how I use this indicator. First thing I need is all these time frames to either show red or green, and right now the USD CAD is giving me a sell signal and it's at a resistance. Notice up here it says get ready level at 133.24. Let me make this bigger in case you can't see it right there, and this is a sell signal and every time frame is telling me to sell, so I enter a sell position, and then I look for a target of 10 or 20 pips if I am placing a lot of different trades on different currency pairs. So I'll show you the account in a second here, but there's the trade. Sell signal on USD CAD. All the time frames are showing me a sell. My stop loss is obviously above the resistance up here. All right, so that's about a 30 pip stop loss, which is manageable. Let's look at some more trades. Euro, yen, very close to the support level, so that would be my stop loss below there. All the time frames are giving me a buy signal, so I take that trade. And again, I'm looking for 10 or 20 pips because it's just, we're in a, notice that the market is in a downtrend. It's found support. This is a retracement at the moment. So I'm looking just to capture 10 or 20 pips. Okay, and also because I've taken so many trades, then I'm just going to exit. As soon as I'm on profit on a lot of these, I'll just exit the trade. Swiss yen, everything is green. Look to buy, very close to the support level on the FX advisory indicator. So, and stochastic is oversold, so that's a good trade. Okay, and the stop loss, of course, always below the support level down here. USD yen is at a support level, but notice that it says no trade, do not trade. So I'm going to wait till the 15-minute chart turns to green, and then I'll enter the trade. Okay, and this is a very tight stop loss. It's about 30 pip stop loss on that one. Gold, of course, is still in a strong uptrend. Everything is green. Look to buy. I enter this trade and hopefully get out after, if it breaks 15.23, then I'll get it. I'll exit the trade. If it breaks below 15, 17, 15, I'll have to exit that trade because that means that this is the resistance level. But as long as this is green, there's no reason to get out of the trade. Okay. Euro, New Zealand dollar, strong downtrend. Notice how the market continues. Look at this huge candle to the downside on the 1-hour chart. Then it retraced and it sold off. It's hitting a support, but everything is showing that the Euro New Zealand dollar is in a strong downtrend. Aussie dollar is recovering. Everything is green. Okay, and look to buy. So it's at a support level. The FX advisory indicator giving me a buy signal, and that's a good trade to take. So let me just show you the accounts, show you how many positions I have open. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 trades that are in positive, and I'll wait till the others all turn green and then exit all of them. And again, I'm only looking for, I don't know, 10 to 20 pips on each one of these. Okay, and we've got gold is up $113, so I'm going to keep these open. Right now is the Asian session, and I'll stay in through the opening of the Hong Kong all the way till 3 hours from now, right before the European sessions, where markets usually retrace in between sessions, between Asian and European sessions, the market usually retrace after it takes direction. So these should continue to rally for the next 3 hours. So I'll give you an update on that. And thanks for watching. And if you have any questions on the advisory indicator, just give me a shout, email me, or you can purchase this on fx-northwest.com. Have a good trading week. Thanks for watching.